Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a super exciting unboxing slash unveiling to share with you guys. Thank you so much to Hogue for sending this in for me to share with everybody. I'm excited about this. I think a lot of people are going to be excited about this. I think a lot of people have been anticipating it. So yeah, I will provide links right down in the description if it's available, right? Or if it's going to be available. I will link everything that I possibly can right down there. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Hogue always sending cool stuff. They actually sent me a note with an awesome MC on the front. I love that. Very, very cool. And then a couple of disassembly mats, which are fantastic for when I do giveaway mystery boxes. I'll absolutely let you guys partake in that. So what's in this box is obviously a knife from Hogue and a little salt pack, right? This is the brand new Deka. Oh boy. Yeah, so obviously the Deka is a super popular model. There were a couple of quirks with the older one, which I reviewed very recently, that Hogue has corrected on this model, this newer model. And I'm going to give you guys a look here. This particular one is a compound Warncliffe in CPM 20 CV, and then we have some really cool layered G10. You'll notice that the hardware is much more minimal. We also have, I'm just happy at the fact that we're looking at T8 here. And then I believe the pocket clip is also different. This still has wonderful, wonderful action, very easy to manipulate. This is very similar, of course, like in terms of just the idea behind it, the compact nature, right? Similar to the bug out that's very popular. And there seems to be this heavy back and forth on which people prefer. There's, of course, one of the best reasons to go with the Deka, or what people say is the price. And yeah, they are super competitive with their pricing. So I'll go ahead and let you guys take a look at this note here. I'm going to read it while I hold it in front. That way I can hold it up and you guys can pause and read it for yourself if you want. Your favorite everyday carry from Hogue Knives just got re-engineered, and less is more. Since its initial release, knife enthusiasts have raved about the Deka's smooth action, factory edge, and precision standards straight out of the box. To evolve the knife further, engineers at Hogue took honest customer feedback to heart and worked diligently to meet requests regarding less hardware and upgrading the pocket clip. Now the wait is finally over, introducing the newest version of the popular Hogue Knives Deka. I'm going to let you guys read the rest of that if you want to. This is actually G-Mascus, sorry, which is, it's layered G10, but that's what they call it there. Yeah, and there's the fact that they changed the hardware up, made it more minimal, and then changed the pocket clip up. This is essentially exactly what people were asking for. It's a bit of a build, but it's not crazy tall. The thing that I like about it is it's short. Sometimes these knife companies, they insist on having a pocket clip that extends clear down here, and you're like, why? It's not like ow, no, I can't carry it, right? But it's just, it's poking into my hand. It's obnoxious. This shorter clip makes way more sense. The whole look of the clip and function of the clip and just depth of carry, all of that make a lot of sense to me. Keeping the screws out of the middle, great. Keeping them back here. We still have 6 on each side, but you know what? That's okay. We're okay. Its direct competition definitely has more than that. So, yeah, and, they'll do different blade shapes, I'm sure. Different, coating or coated or non-coated blades, probably different colors and things like that. So for some people, this particular one is going to be very exciting, and for other people would say, I like the Deka, I just want a different setup. And yeah, I'm sure they'll do that. Yeah, this is very comfortable. I am sure that they will hold true to the value thing. If you didn't know, Hogue knives are made in the United States, which is very cool. Fit and finish on this guy looks fantastic. The edge, final edge bevel looks great. Sorry, there's a little bit of oil here. Like I said, right out of the box, the action is fantastic. Very, very, very easy to manipulate. Of course, the Hogue Able lock, a totally ambidextrous lock, so you can switch that pocket clip to the other side. Lefties or righties can enjoy. Oops, fail. I'm right-handed, but lefties or righties can enjoy this knife to the max. We have perfect factory centering and absolutely, completely and totally solved. I don't know why I would expect anything less from Hogue. Yeah, Hogue is getting it done right here with the new Deka. I think a lot of people will be excited. If for whatever reason you held off from the original Deka, right? Or maybe you like the idea of, you know, an ultra compact, lightweight knife like this, but its competition was just too expensive, right? This is really good. I'm gonna review this knife. It's gonna get a full review. This is, you know, since they sent it to me, I want to take some time to carry it and use it and kind of make sure that I really, you know, have my thoughts down. First impressions, which is what this video is. First impressions on this guy, very, very good. But I'm gonna carry this, mess around with it. You know, it's almost like I have to put it through the whole, like, you know, its paces so that I can. It's almost like I'm intentionally looking for things to complain about. But if they're there, I got to make sure that I know. I don't want to just throw it down and start reviewing it. Very good on first impressions. It's pretty cool that Hogue took that feedback, took that customer feedback and altered some things that people were very passionate about in terms of, you know, getting the right thing, getting the right elements implemented on this already extremely popular model. So that's pretty cool. But still want to review it. Still want to tell you guys my honest thoughts. I will put that together. You'll see the full review somewhere, you know, 2 to 3 weeks from now. Anyways, thank you so much to Hogue once again for sending this in. Love this MC letter that they put together right here. It just says, hey, MC, we hope you enjoy the Deka. Your friends at Hogue Knives. Really cool. Hogue has just been super, super nice. Anyways, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.